Email performance data helps you shape your marketing efficiently. However, managing this data externally or sharing it with partners was complicated and time-consuming. So, we've added a direct exporting option. Let's learn how to use it. Start by heading to the Emails tab inside the Marketing section and click Export inside the Statistics branch. Add the email addresses where you want to receive the file, hit Enter, and click Export. To access past exports, click the three-dot icon and then select Recent Exports. All exports done in the last 30 days will be available for re-download in this section. You can generate reports for all campaigns or limit the data to specific ones, helping you efficiently manage, analyze, and share your performance across campaigns, workflows, and bulk actions. Improve your campaign performance and increase your marketing's reach, helping you easily access and share your metrics with the rest of your team as a CSV file. We hope you enjoy it.